Don't look away. This is your time to find out the truth. So we are here, and the tarot is here, and the guidance is here, and you can start breathing slowly in through your nose, out through your mouth. You can take it slow. It's all good. You're feeling okay. You're feeling kind of heavy already, and that's good. Perhaps at the end of this video, or towards the end of it, you're going to find that there's this irresistible urge to go to sleep, and that's okay, because that's why we're here for. I'm trying to explain some things to you and lead you to a different world, a world of dreams. If you enjoy this type of content, feel free to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos as well. If you would like to receive a personalized reading from me, go to my website and commission a reading from me. See the link below. Now, what is it that the cards would like to tell you? What truth? What is it that you cannot avoid anymore? And this is a joyful confrontation. You're not in any type of stress because this is a safe space. And whatever you're learning today is going to be integrated in your mind, in your consciousness as you sleep. And it's all very comfortable and very friendly. This environment is very friendly. And you can inhale deeply and exhale completely as you're listening to the sound of an aircraft in the background. Some type of aircraft. It might have been an airplane, might have been a helicopter, who knows. It's all happening in the distance, and there's nothing to be afraid of. You're here, you're doing it, you're breathing. That's all you need to do. There's not much else, except for maybe one thing. Go ahead and close your eyes for me for a second, please. And I would like you to see a star in the distance. It's very, very far from you, but it's there with its twinkling light. It's tinkling. It's almost as if it's trying to communicate with you, and it starts to come closer, and it's becoming brighter and brighter. And as it's becoming closer, as it's coming closer and closer, you're becoming more and more relaxed. And if you want, you can keep your eyes closed, or you can open them. We have your card already, so we can talk about it. Here's something that you can no longer deny. You have great opportunities lined up for you, and it's all a matter of taking advantage of them. If you opened your eyes, I would like you to close them again at this point. Breathe in super deep, and breathe in once again. Keep it So, what's the opportunity that we're talking about here? The first thing that comes to your mind is the thing that we're talking about here. The tarot is telling you that you are so lucky. You're so blessed and so lucky to have this opportunity. And it is within your power to grab it with one hand or with both hands. So if you want to go back to the image of the star, and you can keep your eyes closed or open, whichever feels better. You might feel that your eyelids are becoming heavy and it's becoming more and more difficult to keep your eyes open, so it's perfectly natural and okay if you're becoming a little bit tired. So this opportunity is awaiting you, and there's nothing much else for you to do than to go after it and to seize the opportunity and notice how much of a blessing this is that you have it in your life right now. This might be a temporary thing, so it's best if you grab it right away. So imagine yourself standing opposite from the star, which has come really close to you. It's a pentagram. And I would like you to reach out now. Reach out with your hand and grab it. Grab the opportunity, grab the chance, and don't look back. It's yours now. You can go to sleep now, or you can continue to sleep, whichever stage of this relaxation you're at. It's fine. And remember that you already have it. It's just a matter of reaching out and grabbing it. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel if you'd like. Leave a comment. I really love reading comments. And see you next time.